So it's time for a new gun video, and this time we will make the cutout for the double set trigger. In this case, I have a Jäger trigger from Davis, rather good material. And I already marked out the outer lines, and now we will cut out and then inlet it. So let's go. You can see the outer lines I already marked with a chisel. That's the position. And now we can start cutting. But for this, I will need better glasses. I marked here. This is the flat area in the back, and this is the flat area at the front. So it's better to mark out every detail before. Ah, yeah. So the ramrod channel or ramrod hole is way too deep. One moment. I have to check out how deep. Do I need to make a plug? I don't think so. Maybe. So So after a lot of refining and adjusting the depth and as well the position in this direction, I have to shift it back. Now I think it works pretty well. So here you can see it's a little bit deeper than I expected in this area, but in total I'm pretty happy. Could be a tiny bit more backwards. And I will show you, I have found two difficulties. So one difficulty is that I have to shift back the plate about 3 millimeters. So now I have a gap here that I have to fill with a piece of wood. And the next thing is the ramrod hole was a little bit too big. So I have to fill this space with a piece of round material. So I can fill this space. But that will not be the most difficult problem, I think. Just put back the trigger, the set trigger. So I will cut a wood chip to fill this gap and then equalize it with a sandpaper, and I will fill the hole behind the plate with a piece of round material as well, and then everything should be fine and we can go for the fixation of the barrel tongue. So We can put in the lock plate. Then turn the whole thing around. Hey! And now we can try it again. Full cock. Yeah. That's pretty well. With a set trigger that is not even fixed. And one really necessary thing to know is, under any circumstances, the locking, the loading position of the cock should be possible under any circumstances. So it's really necessary. So I think that should be okay. And the next job, maybe I can show it. I made a blank for a brass trigger guard. A lot of rework still possible, but that should be the rough shape of the trigger guard. And I will try to cast it in brass again. So that's all for today. Here one nice new view. And it's really comfortable. That will be the trigger guard, or maybe I will make a test piece for a wooden trigger guard as well, to see if this fits as well to the overall design. So that's all for today. Now we have done the inletting for the German double set trigger. Until next time.